Hello YouTube. Today we are going to be backtesting SMT plus IPDA plus the first 5-minute FVG that opens, okay? So let's start this backtesting session. So the first silver bullet is from 3 to 4. We're on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see how this works out. Okay, so we got a downwards FVG. Well, not yet. Let's see how this closes. Okay, so we did in fact, get that FVG going. So let's start from the beginning of the session, which is 2. Let's mark the IPDA. So right now we're in a sell zone, so let's get in sells. Let's look at the 1 minute for an SMT. Okay, so you can see the 1 minute. We don't have any data. Let's look at the 3 minute. Okay. Oh shit. Why are we all the way back here? Okay. Interesting. We got moved back too far. Okay, let's go back to where we were. So the start of the London session. Actually, we want to start at the hour. Okay. So let's see what we get here. Okay, we haven't got a 5-minute FVG yet. Okay, so here's our first 5-minute FVG. Okay, so the hour is 3. So let's draw the IPDA for 3. Here to here. Okay, so right now we're gonna buy IPDA. Okay, so the first FVG to be formed was here. Okay, but we have this void right here. So this needed to be filled first before we saw a reaction to the downside. Now, if we see price enter back into this sell IPDA, then we can get in for shorts. Let's see. Okay, so we can get in for shorts here. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. Oh fuck, dude, our time just got screwed up again. Okay. Cannot switch to the 1 minute. The 1 minute screws it up. Here. 335. Okay. So if we close, okay. See if we could close inside of a net. Okay. So we're trading in the direction of the first FEG that formed, which is sell. We waited to get in the sell IPDA. Okay. Let's see if we have any SMT on the highs for shorts. Okay, so we have an SMT between NQ and YM. We can get in sells. We can place the stop loss at the high of the SMT, and then we can target either the lows here, or we could target midnight open. Let's see what midnight open is. Midnight open is, we could even target the SIST. Okay, so the SIST is the change in state of delivery, right? So we see we were in an accumulation phase here, and then after this displacement to the upside, we left that accumulation phase and went into more of an expansion phase. Okay, so we could target the SIST here. I know it's not really a good RR, but we could even target even lower to the midnight open. Okay, the midnight open is also the SysD. Okay, so this is actually what you call a MMXM said that if two openings align, or two important liquidity pools align, like for example midnight open and the SysD, then it's higher probability that it'll go there. So yeah, let's see how it reacts. Okay, so we hit it. You see we hit this important liquidity pool area level right here, and then we rejected back up to the upside. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's continue on to the next silver bullet session. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, so the next silver bullet session is, when was it? It was 10 to 11. Okay. Okay, so 10. Okay, okay, we didn't get our first FVG yet. Still haven't. Okay, we got our first FVG, but it's outside of the silver bullet, so let's just move on to the next time, silver bullet time, which is 14 to 15. Okay, we got our first FVG here. Let's mark out our IPDA, okay? So our IPDA is from 14. Okay, we want to see this yellow candle close. Okay, now we can mark this as a swing. We go from the highs to the lows. If it closes inside this red area, we get in sells. Okay, we get in sells. And then let's see if we have an SMT anywhere. No SMT. Okay. So it's not as high probability, but according to ICT, you just want to get in to the first FVG that forms on the, well, just the first FVG that forms in the silver bullet time range. So let's see if we could find any liquidity pools. Where's midnight open at? Let's see. Okay, yeah, so midnight open was over here. SysD was over here. So this was an important liquidity pool. If we mark out our, let's mark out our day quarterly theory. 0. Well, we should go 18 to 18 since we're looking at futures. All right, so let's get our Q1 lows. Where's our Q1 lows? Our Q1 lows is here. Okay. All right, let's try targeting this, and then we don't have an SMT, so we can't really place accurate stop losses, but okay, we might actually have SMT at the wick highs of the candle. Let's see if we do or not. I doubt it, but okay, we don't. Let's see if we can pull up GU or GBP USD and compare the highs. Nope. How about Euro USD? Let's see Euro USD. Euro USD, there's resting liquidity right here. You can see stop losses are right here because we have equal highs. So I personally wouldn't get on this trade in on this trade, but just solely going off of ICT's strategy of just going off the direction of the first FVG that formed. But to be fair, the first FVG that was formed was for longs. It was a bullish FVG, right? So this isn't a trade that we take. Okay, so let's just get out because That's not a good trade. Okay, yeah. Thankfully you got out. Let's go to the next day, 3. All right, so we want to start at 3. First FVG that forms on the 5-minute. Is this an FVG? Let's see. Nope. Okay, we got our first FVG. Cool. So now let's mark out our IPDA. Okay, let's see if this candle closes so we get the swing. Okay, cool. It did. So we're in it closed inside of a buy IPDA right now. So let's see if we can get any SMTs on the lows. No SMTs on the lows. Yeah, no SMTs on the lows. Okay, here's an SMT. It was a turtle soup here. Get in longs. Set our stop loss at the turtle soup. Set our take profit to, let's see, where was the open? And where was the SIST? Let's see where the open was. Okay, here's where the open was. We could set our take profit here. Let's see where the SIST was. Change in state of delivery. So we had a little accumulation. We had a expansion. We went back a little past the equilibrium, and we had expansion again. Well, we had a consolidation after this retracement. We had consolidation, we had expansion, and then, well, we had accumulation here, and then once this broke out, then here's our SIST right here. So maybe we should mark out the SIST, use the SIST as our take profit instead. All right, let's see. Okay, it worked. Cool. Next day. First FVG 5-minute silver bullet strategy. I'm gonna cut out his name because he told me not to say his name, but all right. So we got this big displacement. Let's see if we form an FVG on the 5-minute. Okay, so you can see we did form a little FVG on the 5-minute. Now let's mark out our IPDA. Here to here. Okay. So here to here now. So we can get in on the sells since it closed here. Let's look for a SMT first. Okay, so we have a little bit of an SMT here. It's a little too high for me to set stop losses. Okay, so we have a little SMT between NQ and YM here. Let's see where the midnight opening price is to see if that RR is worth it. Okay, it's all the way up here. Let's see where the last change in state of delivery is. So we had expansion downwards. Then we had a little accumulation to the upside. Well, normally we don't want to get in sells below the midnight open. But according to ICT's strategy, I mean, we got to follow a strategy, right? So let's just do it. DC. Okay, so we're at the -4 right now. And we got that little turtle soup right here. Okay, so if I personally wouldn't take this trade, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Let's take the trade. Let's hit here for a stop loss, and let's go for this SMT at the top for our here at the top for the stop loss. The take profit at the bottom is where we're gonna target. Let's see if we hit it or not. We probably won't, but let's see. Okay, we hit it. 100% win rate strategy, guys. This is fucking insane. This is fucking insane. This is fucking insane. What have I been doing my whole entire trading career? This is free fucking money. This is printing money out of fucking three. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck, dog? What the fuck? Dude, it takes literally no skill at all, bro. It's just fucking insanity, bro. It's fucking insanity, bro. Dude, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck, dog? What the fuck? Okay, we got our first FVG. Okay, here's our first FVG. And then let's do our IPDA, our little IPDA. 14 low to 14 high. Okay. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Let's see where this closes. If it closes inside, then we do not want to. If it closes inside of the sell zone, we're not going and entering for longs. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, yeah. So we're not entering for longs because it closed inside the sell zone. Maybe if we can get back in and close inside the buy zone, then okay. So we weren't able to do that. Perfect, guys. Perfect confirmation. Perfect confirmation, guys. Perfect. 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 This strategy is fucking insane as fuck, bro. It's fucking insane, bro. Real shit, dog. Real shit. Real shit, dog. Real shit. Real shit. Real shit, dog. Real shit. Real shit. Real shit, dog. 3. Here's our first FVG that formed. Here. Bow. Bow. Now let's do our IPDA. Start of the hour. 13. Okay. Let's see if it closes inside of the cell. So it did in fact close inside the cell. We can start getting in for cells. We can target the midnight open. Okay. Here's also our SysDs right here as well. So we had our little fake out and then a little retracement. So our SysD's there, and then our midnight open is here. Okay. Let's target the SysD. It's less risky, and then let's see if we can find any SMTs at the highs just for a stop loss, because that's what we do around here, right? Okay. So you can see YM. It's not the most strong SMT, but it is an SMT, so let's see what happens. Okay. Guys, I'm fucking unfucking feedable, guys. I'm the fucking Liquidity Lab G. This is fucking easy. Trading is easy. Trading is not real. It's a game, you against yourself. You just have to know the right strategies. You just have to be at the right place at the right time. Liquidity Lab LLC is where it's at, guys. I am telling you, Liquidity Lab LLC is where it's at because people like me and people like the people I know, my network, we know what's going on in the markets, guys. We use strategies from ICT. We create our own models that actually work. People are giving you models that don't work. They don't backtest these strategies. It's not real, guys. These traders are all gurus. They don't know what they're talking about, bro. They don't know what we're talking about. You could join Liquidity Lab LLC today. You don't even have to pay for it, man. It's free resources in front of you. Of course, in order to join Sniper Gang, you do have to pay. But in order to get access to our network, literally, all you have to do is join, bro. This is the freest fucking sauce you guys have ever fucking seen, guys. This is fucking us, bro. This is fucking us. 100%, 90%, 80% win rate strategies, bro. We're doing this on a daily fucking basis. A daily fucking basis. And we hop in calls together, and we get wins, and we pass fucking fundeds, and we fucking get paid the fuck out, guys. You guys are stuck in the matrix. You need people like us to lead you in the right direction. Liquidity Lab LLC. Liquidity Lab LLC. Liquidity Lab LLC. We got you guys. Just fucking join. We're giving you free fucking sauce. We're spilling the tea all over your fucking faces. And you guys need to sip that tea. Sip that tea. Like you do all the other tea from these gurus, man. These gurus don't know what they're talking about. They're teaching you bullshit. Glorified gambling fucking bullshit. We teach you actual fucking shit that actually fucking works in the fucking real world, that can fucking pay you on a fucking daily fucking basis. Do you understand who we are? Do you understand what we're giving to you guys on a fucking daily basis? And you see it right in front of your fucking eyes on my fucking screen right now. For you to not take it upon yourself to apply what you're learning from what I'm fucking presenting you for fucking free right in front of your fucking eyes. Join the Liquidity Lab link in the fucking description, okay? It's free fucking money. Free fucking money. We're printing money out of thin air on a daily basis. Join the Discord. You can see all the funded accounts we have, all the profits, all the fucking everything, bro. Just join Liquidity Lab in the description. Get an Apex funded account, 90% discount. 1 day pass, bro. Down in the description below, bro. I have all the sauce for you guys. All the sauce. Remember, I'm not saying I'm a perfect trader, but I know people who are. I know people who know people. I know people directly in the Liquidity Lab Discord who can give you an 80 to 100% win rate strategy like the one I am showing you. Okay, so someone in the Discord showed me what IPDA was. I've been using the Silver Bullet 5-minute FVG strategy. I created this model, okay? I created this model. The SMT plus the Silver Bullet plus the IPDA for entry. But I know people who know people who know people who gave me the parts I needed to create my own strategy that actually works. Okay? Join Liquidity Lab. We will make you Batman. We will make you Batman.
Okay? Join Liquidity Lab in the description below. See ya. You better join. Free